What up, y'all? What up? It's Every Penny Counts. It's New Money Maker Mondays, and today the new site is Rewardsgate. All right, so I'm gonna show you a few things that I'm gonna start getting involved with this site. You see, I have no money in this site because I literally just signed up for it last night. I did a lot of research on it. Make sure it's legit. Of course, like I always do for all of these sites. So I just want to show you some of the ways you can make money on this site. Some things I'm gonna do, so you should join me in this process. First, going over here to earn. You see here daily surveys. You can do these every day, multiple times. It's kind of going down. You see the surveys you can do. These right here, super. I'm not really sure you can say that. Super like Uno route or something like that. 93.5 points. That's very high for a survey. And you see here that they have a few of them. All right, so my recommendation would be to go through and try all of them. Then maybe some of them are the same, but definitely go through and check those out, because 93.5 is very high, and they're crediting you within 4 minutes. So it's very high. You don't have to wait for like a day or two to get credited for the survey. Survey time route, I've done these in a few other different get paid to sites, and they're really really work well. 50 points, that's pretty much average how it goes for those surveys, and they're crediting you within 1 second. So as soon as you finish the survey, they're going to give you your 50 points. You know what I'm saying? Sample-licious daily survey express. These are the quick ones. These ones take no more than 10 minutes, and you're getting 58 points for each one that you do. All right, so definitely check those out. 43 seconds average crediting time. So again, like as soon as you take the survey, you go back to your account, bam, you're credited just like that. Just kind of going down. They have Say So 66. My Thoughts, the long version, is 99. The regular version is 60.5. Pure surveys, 75 points. You know what I'm saying? So you see here a few different surveys you can do. Of course, your surveys, 120. One of the biggest ones on there. You definitely want to do those, because 120, that's $1.20 basically. So definitely check those out. It's one of my favorite survey providers as well. Let me see what else is on here. I'm gonna go back up to show you some ones that you can do unlimited surveys now. Because with this site, there's a lot of different ways you can make money, but it looks like the bulk of it is going to be with surveys, which is not a problem for me, because, that's, if you want to get, money fast, surveys and offers, that's the best way to go about doing it. So you see here, Sample Cube, 108 points. You know what I'm saying? So just going down, looking at, I have different survey providers that you can try, lots of them. Some of them, like that Super Uno, I never seen that one on any other site so far. But definitely check that one out, because 92.5, and then your surveys paying like $1.20. Really make good money with that. You see the offer walls that they have. You know what I'm saying? Check those out. It's always good to go through the offers, because you can always find ones that are free, and a lot of them are just like go through, submit an email and get credited for points. You know what I'm saying? So just kind of go through and find the ones that works for you. Like AdSend Media, AdGate, those are two ones that I really pay attention to a lot, because I really get a lot of good offers in there, and they're free. I don't have to spend any money in completing the survey. Completing the offer and doing those. So like I said, you just want to go to earn daily and unlimited surveys. Your offer walls, check those out. Let me show you the rewards, what you can get. Let me see, converter. First of all, you want to convert your points whenever you're cashing out. So I'm just show you how that works. 1 point equals 1 cent cash. Very simple, very straightforward to the point. Just so you know when you're getting these points, what they're coming out to. Going back over to rewards, withdraw cash. You can get Amazon, PayPal, and I think Skrill is one of the options. You see here, Amazon $5, PayPal $2.50, Skrill $2.50. So they have low minimum cash outs. You don't have to really get a lot of money in order to cash out in the site. So that's very good to pay attention to. They also have a shout box. I'm showing you what other members of this site are doing. You see here, this member right here just cashed out $7.68. You know what I'm saying? So people are making money with it, kind of going up, showing you more. They're completing offers, they're completing surveys. You know what I'm saying? So it just gives you an idea of, that what everybody else is doing. So a lot of times what I like to do when they have a shout box is I see what everybody else is getting credited for, and I try to go back and, do one of those things. Like here, let's see here, this offer wall right here, want ads. My bad, let me take that off. It's an update on my computer I got to put on. But there's one ads on offer wall. They got credited 58.8 points for that. So what I'll do is I'll go through that same offer wall and find out what was it that gave them 58.8 points, and I'll do that same thing. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'll do. And that strategy really works, because what people are doing is they're finding things that are easy to do and they get credited for it. Same thing right here, this ad gate off wall, they got 58 points. So I go through and find out what was in there for 58 points and try to do that same one, because a lot of times what you'll find is that it's free and it's easy. So, you know, just basically duplicate people's success in the shout box. That's mainly what I use it for. If you have any questions, you can always just ask it in the shout box. But you know, just kind of see what everybody else is getting credited for. You see here, this user right here, they just cashed out $35.55. So I mean, people are making money with this website right here. So I really do encourage you to sign up for it, because I'm about to start making money on it. So, you know, why not make money with me? You know what I'm saying? So right now, just pay attention. I got $0 on my balance right now, but be sure that, you know, within the next couple days, I'm gonna have at least $5 to $10 in there, just because I'm about to start grinding out and about to start cashing out, just doing surveys and offers. You know what I'm saying? What I see in this shout box, you know, going through with the earn, with the surveys and the offer walls, going through doing that. So definitely sign up for this site. The link will be in the description to sign up. I'm gonna start making money with it. You know, you see how everybody else is making money with it on this site. You see some of the offers, some of the surveys they're doing. So I highly recommend you do the same thing. Like I said, I'm gonna do the same thing as well, and so we can make money together. All right. So if you're new to my channel, again, I want you to subscribe, because I'm always showing you guys how to make money for free. Every day I'm posting videos, me cashing out, me showing you how to make money on the site with different tutorials. Every single Monday I bring you a new site, a new way to make money to add to your routine. So that way you're making a lot of money online. So you have a very, you know, big supplemental income to whatever income you already have. And if you don't have an income, if you don't have a job, then, you know, this is perfect for you, because you have so much more time than the average person, because, you know, you don't have to go work for somebody else for 8 to 10, 12 hours a day or whatever. You can be your own boss, which is what I am, and continuing to, you know, just make money online completely free. So like I said, subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section, like, share my videos, all that kind of good stuff. And, you know, this is one of them sites, like I said, Rewardsgate. Sign up for it. The link will be in the description. Click on it, start it, create an account, and, you know, start out with those surveys and offers. That's what I'm about to do, like literally right after this video. Start making money with it, and I'll show you my future videos with the success that I'm having with this site. All right. So again, sign up with the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts.